It is mine.
See me.
Where are you going?
Away I go.
Come back here.
Come back here, sir.
Hello, my Jam fam. How are you guys doing? I want to thank you so much. We have clocked 500 subscribers and I appreciate every single one of you. In fact, I am encouraging you to continue watching the videos, like them, share with a friend, and leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. I want to know what you think about the different things that we're posting. And remember, if you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to enjoy all our great content. The best is yet to come.
Language spoken in Jamaica. What? Patois and English. Okay? What are you doing here?
Away I do ya.
It is mine.
See me.
Where are you going?
Away I go.
Come back here.
Come back here, sir.
Why did you call me?
Away you call me for.
Look here.
Look here.
See me here.
See me here.
I'll repeat that. See me here.
See me here.
Look at this.
Look on this.
My mother.
Me mama.
My father.
Me papa.
My grandfather.
Me grandpapa.
My girlfriend.
Me girlfriend.
It is my child.
See me picnic.
The children.
Get picnic them.
He got himself dirty.
Him nasty up himself.
What a pretty girl.
What a weird girl, pretty.
There you have it, guys. This video has turned me the wrong side up. This video wrenched me out. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that. This video is like it have my heart just get heavy. And you know what? I'm trying to not be angry, but trust me, I don't really joke with certain things. I don't joke with Jamaican culture. I don't joke with this type of thing. I'm one of those people who believe in our language. I believe in the patois that we speak in Jamaica. And I really find this video shocking, embarrassing, and I don't understand which parent could have allowed this, because I'm not even angry at this little boy. I'm not angry at the boy, you know, but I am saying to myself, which parent did this? And I don't know this story. I don't know this boy family. I don't know, but it's obvious that they are close to Jamaica. And I'm trying to think that maybe his parents are from Jamaica. And if that's the case, me would have canceled them passport immediately. You hear me tell you? I would have canceled them passport immediately and banned them from the country. Because this is shocking. This video is shocking. Exploiting this little picnic for disrespect the culture and the language and pretend as if it's a joke. I'm not even going to call this, as I said, this little kid, because I'm a teacher, I'm not going to use this kid as a target of my anger. But what I'm saying is, if the parents allow this, the person with the camera, who I suppose is a Jamaican, with a cancel in passport or her passport immediately. If me and Andrew Holness would investigate this video, I would really investigate this video and try and get to the bottom of it. Who filmed, who recorded this? Having this kid barking the language. Which Jamaican talk like that? Who talks like that? Of course, our language is emotional. Our language is rhythmical. Our language have a lot of expressions and stuff. And of course, we cussing at the language. But why have this child barking our language like that? And for a joke? That's not no joke. How is this a joke? I hope somebody released this kid on social media to say that it's a joke. Like, seriously. This is disrespecting the culture, disrespecting the country, disrespecting Jamaican people. There's no joke in this. I don't see no joke in it. And exploiting the kid and people like say a joke. Like, guys, a lot of our forefathers fight, dead, hanged, for give a little freedom, and this is how we're doing it. This is how we're handling our freedom. And the worst part about it is that it is so obvious that the video is scripted. It's obvious. It's obvious that the video is scripted, that everything planned from day one, just because they want to go viral. Do we go viral at the expense of ridiculing people? When did that become a norm? When did it become a norm to ridicule people? And the fact that the parents did nothing about it, which me probably thinks is a parent a film, because this film looks like it's within somebody's private setting. So the intent was there to humiliate Jamaica and Jamaicans. And people are laugh, including Jamaicans are laugh like say it's funny. How is this video funny? How is this respectful? How is this any glorifying the country? When you say a mockery they're taking of us. They're making a mockery. As me say, if me as the Prime Minister, me find out who do it and I cancel them passport and then ban them from the country forever. That's what I would do. I don't think we should just sit and let this go by. And as I said, I'm not targeting this little picnic. Me no business about the little picnic, because as a matter of fact, he probably not even know what he's doing. He doesn't know what he's doing, so I'm not going to target him. But the person who recorded it and scripted it and set up the kid just to go viral for whatever, I don't know why, you should be ashamed of yourself. You have disgraced the nation, humiliated our people. That's why some people shouldn't even come here, you know. Some people shouldn't come into the country, because I'm sure we would do much better without some of you. Bah! Where did I go? Who talks, sir? Who chats, sir? Is that how we talk? Come on, my ass, sir. I'm really annoyed. Really upset about this. Really upset. I mean, just hope say something is done about it. I hope. I don't know this kid. I don't know where it was filmed. I don't know which country it was filmed in. But I just hope that somebody is doing something about it. Just upset my spirit on this Monday morning, yeah. Real upset my spirit.
And we have a whole lot of wonderful heritage, songs and stories and proverbs and all kinds of nice things. And our language, of course, the basic thing is the language, which we have been talking for 300 years. Yes, my dear. And my aunt, what she said, she don't like nobody to say no language at all. She vexed, you know, about the whole rhythm of the language, my child. You see, it's because all this folklore and this culture that we have come from all the different people who have lived in the country, you know, and we just use it, and now we have a real West Indian, a real Jamaican culture. For my aunt wrote to say, when the Asian culture and the European culture work upon African culture and the Caribbean people, we stir them up and blend them to a flavor. We shake them up and move them to a beat. We wheel them and we turn them and we rock them and we sound them and we temper them and laughs the rhythm sweet. Yes, my dear. So then we don't need to shame at the things we have at all. Like my aunt would say, she vexed any time she hearing the people come style for with Jamaica language as corruption of the English language. You ever hear anything, Gusso? Aunt Georgia said she don't know what make them not call the English language corruption of the Norman, French and the Greek and the Latin, but them say English is derived from. Oh no, hear the word? English derive, but Jamaica corrupt. No, master, nothing a Gusso. We not corrupt and them derive. We derive too. Jamaica derive. We derive.